And 2025 World Championship 800-meter finalist Navasky Anderson, along with Kelly and Beckford, both set national indoor records at the Penn State University Open in Pennsylvania on Saturday. Anderson, the national record holder over 800 meters, clocked 2 minutes 18.53 seconds, the third fastest in the world this year, to win the men's 1,000 meters. It was his first time contesting the 5-lap event, as he broke the previous national record of 2 minutes 19.96 set in February 2000 by Maria Vernon Watson.
Under Armour down the home straightaway. It is a new Jamaican national record.
Meanwhile, Beckford clocked 1 minute 24.44 for a national record in the women's 600 meters, beating Natoya Gould-Toppin's 1 minute 25.35 set in February 2017. Both Anderson and Beckford represent Under Armour Mission-run Baltimore Track Club.